Hi, John Hoffman from Champlin in District 36, representing Coon Rapids, Brooklyn Park, and Champlin. And a week in review. You know, this past week we really sat down and talked a lot about the Health Exchange and passed it out of our Health, Human Services, and Housing Committee. And the Health Exchange is important because it's going to set the stage for what's next for Minnesota in assuring that people get guaranteed health coverage. One of the things I'm excited about is getting the Medicaid provision from 75% of poverty up to 138% of poverty. And that's important because there's a lot of hospitals that right now are giving free service where they're going to actually be able to get paid for the services they provide. And that's good because that means more people are going to be covered for some preventive health coverage that's needed. You know, we also got a lot of commissioners that were brought to the Senate and confirmed after not being confirmed for 2 years, and now we can get on with the governance of the state. I'm excited about that as well. And the whole time that process has happened, what we found is that with cooperation, things can get done. And things are getting done. I'm still excited and I'm still happy about this upcoming session, and that we're going to provide for you a governance team that's going to get the work of this state done. And that's it for this week in review. See you next week.